Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Digisol DG-WR4801 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. This is the easiest and quickest way to extend your Wi-Fi network without needing to log into any settings. Let's get started. First, let's check what's included in the box. You'll find the Digisol DG-WR4801 Extender, a quick installation guide, and an Ethernet cable. Ensure you have all these items ready before we begin the setup process. Start by plugging the Digisol DG-WR4801 extender into a power outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Ensure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi network to complete the initial setup process smoothly and efficiently. Find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, typically labeled WPS and located on the front or back. Press and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS light begins blinking, indicating it's ready to connect. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS light begins blinking. This activates the WPS mode, allowing your router to pair seamlessly with compatible devices like the Digisol extender. Next, press and hold the WPS button on your Digisol DG-WR4801 extender, located on the side or front. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS light starts blinking, signaling that the extender is ready to pair with your router. Wait for the WPS process to finish, which typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once connected successfully, the WPS light on both the router and extender will stop blinking and remain solid, confirming a stable connection. Finally, test the connection by linking your device to the extended network and checking the signal strength. You'll likely see a noticeable boost in Wi-Fi coverage, ensuring better connectivity across your home or workspace. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Digisol DG-WR4801 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.